Hi children, today I will explain about the remaining problems, doubted problems. 185. I think for now, for 185 problem, we have given clearance from 180 problem. 180 and 185 both problems are same. In 188 problem, pH calculation he asked, but in 185 problem, concentration of H plus changes he asked. So in 188 problem, we know that calculated pH1 and pH2, that pH1 is converted into H plus concentration, and here also pH2 calculation is converted into H plus concentration. So 1 and 2. Now calculate the difference between these two, it gives the 185th problem answer, right? 186. Bromothiamol blue is an indicator with Ka value is given. Bromothiamol blue, it is one of the indicator. Ka value is given. Ka value given means that is acid dissociation. So acid dissociation constant means the given indicator is acid indicator. So bromothiamol blue is given. This is an acid indicator. It is very clearly mentioned because Ka value is given. K equal to 6 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, what percentage of this indicator is in its basic form at a pH of 5 and pH value is given, this is equal to 5. So HIN is gives rise to H plus IN minus. Calculate the percentage. Calculate initial how much percentage is present? 100% is present. This is 0, this is 0. Then how much percentage is dissociation means that is taken as X. So you have to calculate what is the X percentage in this problem. So 100 minus X, this is X and this is also X. We know that how to calculate this type of problems, that is pH is equal to pKin. Actually pKin means this is indicator constant, that is K given already. K is given, calculate pKi plus log concentration of IN minus 5 concentration of HIN or indicator, right? Indicator, no problem, both are same. But one simple trick is there for this problem. Concentration of H plus is equal to Kin into HIN by IN minus. We know that this formula in buffer solutions, we know that this formula how to write. H plus pH is equal to 5 means H plus concentration is 10 to the power of minus 5. Kin is given 6 into 10 to the power of minus 5. HIN 100 minus X. 100 minus X by X. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 5, 10 to the power of minus cancel. This one move to this side, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 equal to 100 minus X by X. X into 1, X. 6 into 100 minus X, 600 minus 6X. This one move to this side, 7X. Equal to 600, then X equal to 700 by 7. So 700 by 600 by 7 means 7 8 is 56, 4 left 40, 7 5 is 45, 50, 7 7 is 49. So 85.7 percentage. 187. An acid-base indicator which is a weak acid. An acid-base indicator is given, that indicator is weak acid, and its pKi indicator. pK indicator value is given, that is 5.45. Okay. At what concentration ratio of sodium acetate to acetic acid would be the indicator show a color halfway? Halfway means only half, means 50% only dissociation takes place. Okay, between those of its acid and conjugate base form. So the given one the indicator is acidic indicator. This is converted to basic form. Basic form means this is reacts with basic form, gives a new product. Gives a new product. Initially it is 100% is present. This is 0. But half means 50% is reacted. So 100 minus 50, 100 minus 50, and this is gives 50. So 50% and it is also 50%. Okay, what we have to calculate the concentration ratio of sodium acetate. Sodium acetate means CH3COONA by acetic acid CH3COOH. This one you have to calculate. Okay, and pKa value is also given. pKa is equal to 4.75. Sir, based on this one, we have to calculate this one. This one means it is a salt of weak acid and it is a basic, acidic buffer. It is acidic buffer. We know that very clearly. For acidic buffer, pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration. This is the concentration of salt by concentration of acid. This value we have to calculate. What we have to calculate? Concentration of salt by concentration of acid. Okay, pKa value is given 4.75, but we don't know pH value. Then how can we calculate pH value? Already indicator information is given. For indicator, pH equal to pKin plus log. Actually, this is the indicator. Acidic indicator HIN is converted to H plus IN minus. How can you write concentration of product by concentration of reactant? So log indicator, ionic form of indicator by indicator HIN. Okay, pKin value how much? 5.45 plus log, this is 50%, this is also 50%. So 50 by 50, so 1, log 1 value is 0, so pH value is 5.45. Now substitute this value here. 5.45 is equal to pKa value is given 4.75 plus log concentration of salt by concentration of acid. Okay, this value move to this side, then 5.45 minus 4.75. That one value is 0.7. Okay, I'll write 5.45 minus 4.75 is equal to log concentration of salt by concentration of acid. This value is 0.7 log concentration of salt by concentration. If base 10 is present, then concentration of salt by concentration of acid is equal to 10 to the power of 0.7. Log 10 to the power of 0.7 means anti-log of 0.7. This one value is 5, because log 5 value is 0.69, that is approximately equal to 7, 0.7. So completed. Next one, 188 problem, solubility product problems. For 188 problem is most important means so many times this type of problem asked in the examination, means mains examination. So the precipitate of CaF2 is obtained when equal volumes of the following are mixed. Precipitation of CaF2 is formed. When precipitation is formed, for example, the given one is CaF. Okay, and its KSP value is also given. KSP, solubility product value is given. KSP is equal to 1.7 into 10 to the power of minus 10. What is the condition for the precipitation formation? KII, ionic product value, is greater than solubility product value. Nana, this KIP is nothing but QSP. Both are same. Both are same. QSP means ionic product. KIP is also called ionic product. Okay. So this for this problem, first let's take the first option. First option, and the condition is equal volumes of first option, 10 to the power of minus 2 molarity Ca2 plus and 10 to the power of minus 3 molarity F minus. So CaF is the given electrolyte or given salt. How it is dissociated? CaF2 is dissociated as Ca2 plus 2F minus. For this one, how can you know that how to write the solubility product? We solved so many times AB model, AB2 model, A2B model, A2B3 model like that. But now how can you write the KIP value? KIP is equal to concentration of Ca2 plus into concentration of, actually there is only one more, power 1. Concentration of F minus power 2. Okay, right, now check it. Concentration of Ca2 plus, how much is given? 10 to the power of minus 2 molarity. But volumes also given. So concentration means take the milli equivalence. What we have to take? Milli equivalence. Milli equivalence means V into M. Volume is equal volume, means volume is taken as X. Means Ca2 plus X volume and F minus also X volume. So X into 10 to the power of minus 2, okay, into, wait once. Right. V into M, capital normality, but given on molarity and Ca2 plus is only, there is no possibility to show anything. So V into M by volume. This is salt volume, this is X. So X plus X. First problem is most important because remind you can calculate directly. Into by, this is F minus, whole square. For F minus, what is the given one? 10 to the power of minus 3. Here also volume X into 10 to the power of minus 3 by total volume X plus X whole square. Concentration of Ca2 plus nana, concentration of F minus nana. Concentration of Ca2 plus means milli equivalence by total volume nana. Milli equivalence means volume into concentration nana. Volume X nana. Concentration 10 to the power of minus 2 nana. Concentration means that is molarity or normality. F minus volume X nana, V into N. Concentration molarity is 10 to the power of minus 2. Total volume X plus X, total volume X plus X nana. Okay, so X into 10 to the power of minus 2 by X plus X 2X nana. Again this one, X into 10 to the power of minus 3 by 2X nana whole square. X cancel. X cancel. Okay, now 10 to the power of minus 2 by 2 into this one, 10 to the power of minus 3 by 2 whole square. So this is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square, 10 to the power of minus 6, 2 square 4. So 1 by 8 into 10 to the power of minus 8. 1 by 8 value. 1 by 8 for our convenience, take 10 by 10. 10 by 8 value. 8 1s are 8.20. 8 2s are 16. 8 5s are 40. into 10 to the power of minus 9. This is the is it 1.25 is, check it, compare with these two, this value and this value, which is the bigger value, which is the bigger, this is 10 to the power of minus 10, low value, compared with 10 to the power of minus 9. So this is the bigger value than KSP, means precipitation takes place. What is the condition for precipitation? KIP value greater than KSP, then precipitation takes place. Precipitation takes place. So here very clear, this is the problem. Okay, Nana, very important this type of problems. Next, 191. Solubility of AgI in 0.05 molarity BaI2 solution is 10 to the power of minus 15. First AgI. How it is dissociated? This is dissociated as Ag plus I minus. This one solubility taken as X. Then it is X. Okay, Nana? Right? Actually, in our words, okay, I already explained like this. S solubility. Okay, Nana? Right? Just. But already solubility value is given, that is 10 to the power of minus 15 for AgI. Another one is given. This is BaI2. BaI2 is dissociated as Ba2 plus 2I minus. This one concentration is mentioned, that is 0.05. If this is 0.05, this is also 0.05. But this is 2 into 0.05. 2 into 0.05 is 0.1. Once you observe, for this one KSP is equal to, how can you write the KSP? Concentration of Ag plus into concentration of I minus. Okay, that is S into S. Means this is S square. S into S, that is S square. This is the direct one. We know that this is the direct one. Okay, but if these two are mixed together, the case is different. Why? Common ion effect is there. I minus to I minus. Common ion effect is there. So due to the common ion effect, Ag plus concentration is S, but I minus concentration is S plus 0.1. S plus 0.1. Okay, Nana? Right. Then it is very simple. I already explained this type of S plus 0.1. So S into S plus 0.1, S square plus S into 0.1. This is eliminated because it is very small value. Squares, cubes, these are all small values in solubility product. Then KSP is equal to S into 0.1. But already S value is given 10 to the power of minus 15. 10 to the power of minus 15 into 0.1 is 10 to the power of minus 1. This is 10 to the power of minus 16. Okay, then what is the KSP value? 10 to the power of minus 16. Then substitute here. KSP is equal to S square na. Then substitute in this one. So KSP is equal to S square. Then KSP is equal to 10 to the power of minus 16 is equal to S square. Then S is equal to root over 10 to the power of minus 16. That is 10 to the power of minus 8. Nana, this is in water. In water it is simply dissociated like this. But when these two are insoluble, common ion effect is there. So based on this one, first we calculate the KSP value. By using this one, we can calculate the solubility in water. Now 192 is miscellaneous. Actually, it is related to the other one. Those concepts are not completed. Okay, leave it. 196 problem. How many grams of KgBr can be added? Means weight of KBr. Sorry, I made a mistake. How many grams of KBr is added? We have to calculate in this problem. Okay, can be added to the 0.21 molarity solution of AgNO3. So AgNO3 concentration is given. This is equal to 0.12. Okay, very good. Just to start the precipitation of AgBr, means when KBr is combined with AgBr, these two forms AgBr. These two forms AgBr. So precipitation of AgBr formation, how much KBr should be added? And KSP value is also given. KSP of AgBr given. AgBr given. The KSP AgBr value is 10 to the power of minus 13. For precipitation formation, we know that KIP must be greater than or equal. If it is equal, that's just started the precipitation. If KSP value is equal to the KIP, it is saturated solution. After saturation, precipitation is started. When we add an extra amount, then precipitation takes place. So it is equal, just start precipitation. If greater than, already precipitation is formed. Okay, right. This is the condition. We know very well. But KIP means KIP of AgBr means AgBr is dissociated as Ag plus Br minus. So concentration of AgBr into concentration of Br minus must be equal to the KSP. But concentration of AgBr is equal to concentration of AgNO3. So no problem. This value is already here. But Br minus is coming from KBr. Are you understand? Br concentration must be concentration of KBr is equal to concentration of Br minus. Because KBr is reacts with AgNO3, it gives AgBr. Okay, but we don't know the concentration. Even we don't know the weight of KBr also. Now, weight of KBr is taken as X. Then concentration is take number of moles. So M is equal to weight by molecular weight. So X by, already in this problem, KBr molecular weight is also given, that is 120 for 1 liter. For 1 liter means for 1 mole, gram per liter or simply mole per liter. Okay, this is the concentration of Br minus or KBr. Okay, Ag plus concentration 0.12. Br minus concentration X by 120 is equal to KSP value 10 to the power of minus 13. Now calculate X value. It is very simple. You can calculate X value. Completed. Next, 197. The solubility of silver benzoate C6H5COOAg. It is a salt of, this part is from C6H5COOH, weak acid. This part from weak base, that is AgOH. Okay, this one, the solubility of silver benzoate in H2O and pH value is 2, pH value is 3 and pH value is 4. Okay, this one here in H2O solubility S1, in pH2 pH is equal to 2 solution S2, in pH3 is equal to 3 solution S3, in pH is equal to 4 solution S4. Okay, the decreasing order of solubility is, means if the salt is dissolved in these solutions, in which solution more solubility is present? In which solution more solubility is present? Very simple. H2O is neutral. pH is equal to 2 means acidic. Comparing with this one, this is less acidic. Comparing with this one, this is very less acidic. Because pH is equal to 2 means high acidic. Okay, if this salt is dissolved in this solution, weak acid is present. It is a weak acid solution. So if it is dissolved in higher concentration of acidic solution, it is more soluble. So solubility in pH is equal to is more. Next S3. Next S4. Last in neutral solution. This is the answer. Okay, because if more acidic acid is there, if we add weak acid type of weak acid, then it is easily soluble in more acid. Next, 198. The solubility of CH3COO is acid. Solubility of CH3COOAg. Okay, in a buffer solution of pH is equal to 4. pH is equal to 4. pH is equal to 4 means concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4. And KSP value is given. KSP equal to 10 to the power of minus 4. And K value is given. K equal to 10 to the power of minus 4 whole by 3. Okay, this is the given information. Calculate the solubility of this salt. Sir, what type of salt it is? It is important. It is a weak acid salt. What type of salt it is? It is a weak acid salt. Okay, now weak acid salt. For solubility of weak acid salt, one formula is there. Remember all of you. Formula. I didn't give this formula, so all of you write. Solubility of salt of weak acid in concentration of H plus means in acidic medium. Concentration H plus means in acidic medium. So pH is equal to 4 means it is acidic. In acidic medium, solubility is equal to root over KSP into 1 plus concentration of H plus by Ka. This is the formula. We know that KSP value, we know that H plus concentration, we know that Ka value. Substitute here and calculate S value. Okay? Next one, 200 problem. What is the maximum molarity of CO2 plus ions? CO2 plus ions. Okay. Molarity also means concentration of CO2 plus we have to calculate. Okay. In 0.1 molarity HCl, 0.1 molarity HCl, and this is saturated with 0.1 molarity H2S, and also for this one Ka value is given. Ka equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 21, right? And also KSP of COS, cobalt sulfide, is also given 2 into 10 to the power of minus 21. Okay, sir? Right. Actually, KSP of COS means COS is dissociated as CO2 plus S2 minus. Okay, then KSP is equal to, it is very simple, concentration of CO2 plus into concentration of S2 minus. So you have to calculate this one. KSP already given. You have to calculate this one, but you don't know this one. So first calculate this one. How can you calculate that one? H2S is given. How to dissociate H2S? H2S dissociated as 2H plus plus S2 minus. Okay, so for this one, this is dissociation completed. So Ka, dissociation constant Ka is equal to concentration of H plus whole square into concentration of S2 minus 5, concentration of H2S. Okay, we want this one, remaining these two terms move to that side. Okay, or write one no problem. K value is given 4 into 10 to the power minus 21. Concentration of H plus. This is the strong acid. Okay, so strong acid gives H plus concentration. So H plus concentration means this is 0.1 whole square into concentration of S2 minus by H2S concentration is also given 0.1. This is 0.1 into 0.1 cancel. This one move to this side. So concentration of S2 minus is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 21 by 0.1. 0.1 means 10 to the power of minus 1. Move to up 10 to the power of plus 1. So 4 into 10 to the power of minus 20. Substitute this value in this equation. What is Ksp value? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 21 is equal to CO2 plus concentration into S2 minus concentration is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 20. Okay, this one come move to this side. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 21 by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 20 is equal to CO2 plus. Okay, minus 20 cancel, minus 1. 2 by 4, 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1. 1 by 2 value, 0.5. 10 to the power of minus 1 value, 0.1. So 0.05 is this one answer. 201. The following curve shows the change in pH during the course of titration of weak acid with a strong base. So this side weak acid is there, this side strong base is there. Okay, right. At which point in the titration curve is the concentration of acid equal to that of its conjugate base? Means at which point? This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. At which point neutralization takes place? He asked. Sir, as the volume of NaOH increases, of course neutralization also increases. Right? After this point, the concentration of NaOH increases. Why concentration of NaOH increases? That already present acid is neutralized with NaOH. After that, if NaOH is added, only NaOH are present because already present acids are neutralized, means salt formation completed. For example, this side 10 acids are present. Then you are adding, for example, adding starting 0, 5, 15, so 10, 2, 6, 10. Okay, completed. 10 members acids, 10 members bases completed. After the addition of extra volume of NaOH, there is no use and there is no neutralization with acids. That's why only NaOH concentration is decreases. So what is the point? After point D, neutralization takes place, and also the titration curve is the concentration of acid equal to that of its conjugate base. Conjugate base means this conjugate base means a acid is given, for example, any acid, weak acid, CH3COOH. So this one is dissociated as CH3COO minus H plus. So this CH3COO minus is the conjugate base. This conjugate base means it is combined with NaOH and forms CH3COO Na. 206, 207. These two problems you can calculate based on 188 problem. I have explained. Similar type of problem. Okay. Almost I explained all type of doubted problems. Time is also over. Okay, we will end ionic equilibrium concept with this one. Next we will continue only IUPAC, that is also very big lesson, and we also solve so many problems. But for ionic equilibrium we solved nearly 500 problems. Okay, from our material concept based level 1 and level 2, and Singh problems already means illustration some problems, and after concept completion solved some problems, and also single character problems. Nearly 500 plus problems we have solved for ionic equilibrium. So that's why we have to stop. Next we will concentrate on the IUPAC nomenclature concept. That is also after 2 videos. So many problems are there. Not problems, names we have to write. Okay, thank you very much.